Find a peaceful space and gently lay down on your back. Allow your legs to relax, letting them fall open with ease. Extend your arms gracefully by your sides, palms open to the sky in a gesture of receiving. Make any necessary adjustments so that your body feels perfectly supported and comfortable. You might choose to place a cushion beneath your head or knees to nurture your body further. As you settle, become aware of the earth beneath you. Sense its vastness, its steadiness, and let yourself be cradled by its embrace. Every tension, every weight is being absorbed and supported by the ground. Close your eyes gently. Imagine it's like closing a soft door to the outside world. Now, take a deep breath in. Feel the fresh air fill your chest. Let it out slowly. Think of letting go of any busy thoughts from today. Breathe in again, deeply. Imagine every part of you getting a little bit of that fresh air. Feel yourself settling in right here and now. Think of a positive affirmation or intention for this practice. It should be a short, positive statement in the present tense. For instance, I am at peace with myself. Once you have your positive affirmation, mentally repeat it to yourself 3 times with feeling and conviction. Now, bring your awareness to different parts of your body. Start with the right foot, right ankle, right calf, right thigh. Now move to the left foot, left ankle, left calf, left thigh. Now bring your awareness to the right hand, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, and shoulder. Now move to the left hand, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, and shoulder. Feel your pelvis and hips, the entirety of your spine, your chest, your abdomen, your whole heart space. Sense your neck, throat, chin, jaw, lips, nose, eyes, forehead, the top of your head. Feel your entire body relaxed and supported by the earth. Bring your awareness gently to the breath, noticing how it flows in and out with grace and ease. Feel the subtle lifting of your chest and the softening expansion of your abdomen as you inhale, followed by the gentle release and inward movement as you exhale. Allow yourself to become the silent observer, sensing the delicate dance of your breath as it weaves in and out. Sink into this rhythm, letting it ground and center you in this present moment. Imagine yourself on a serene beach, where the soft embrace of sand cradles your body. The gentle caress of waves lightly touches your feet, bringing with them a cool, refreshing sensation. Above you, The sun bows gracefully, painting the vast canvas of the sky in shades of amber, gold, and blush pink. Each breath you take is in harmony with the rhythmic whispers of the waves. You're enveloped in a cocoon of peace, fully immersed in this tranquil moment. Recall the intention you set at the beginning of the practice. Repeat your positive affirmation mentally 3 more times. Begin to deepen your breath, bringing gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe stretch your arms overhead for a full body stretch. Slowly roll to one side, resting there for a moment. When you feel ready, gently push yourself up to a seated position. Open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of peace and relaxation with you as you move throughout your day.